Hello, welcome back to another video. This week I'm going to tell you the story about applying data science to the construction phase of buildings. Do you remember Eleanor and James? Both of them found a job shortly after graduation. Eleanor as a BIM specialist and James as a project manager. First, let's discuss the story of Eleanor as she discovers the types of challenges she'll come across in her new job. Eleanor joined a construction company as a BIM specialist, and her job is to make cost estimation, coordination, schedule projects, and generate drawings or databases for the manufacturing purposes of prefabrication. The daily job of a BIM specialist might include the use of a tool known as Autodesk Revit. Eleanor would use this tool to analyze building information models, also known as BIM models. What might you ask is a BIM model? Well, BIM is a 3D model-based file format and associated process that is useful in the design, construction, and operation phases of buildings, where professionals use it to plan, design, construct, and manage buildings and infrastructure efficiently. In the construction phase, Eleanor might be using BIM for cost estimation, coordination, scheduling, or prefabrication purposes. However, challenges may arise when BIM specialists have an enormous amount of projects on hand, as it is tedious for them to extract information quickly. One example is the extraction of materials schedules, which often has to be done manually. To automate this process, Eleanor has thought of an idea of using Python programming. Eleanor remembers that she can use Python within Autodesk Revit, using the Python Revit shell to write plugins for her BIM model using Python scripts. This plugin provides users with an interactive shell where you can see the results of your code as you type it. By using Python scripts in Revit, Eleanor can quantify objects in the BIM model easily and automate the process of data extraction from the models. With the help of the Revit Python shell, Eleanor has found a way to improve her time efficiency, the accuracy of data extracted, and she has increased the convenience in reviewing and commenting on information across multiple disciplines. Let's now move on to the story of James to see how he implements data science in his job. James has joined the industry as a project manager for a company that does the commissioning process for buildings. James's company is contracted directly by the building owner to verify the proper installation and operation of technical building systems to ensure uniformity with the design intent of the project. For James to look out for issues regarding installation, operation, and design of the project, he needs to basically find anomalous behavior in the building systems. James would be using the information collected from the Building Management System, or BMS, that controls the whole building. After collecting the information, he would need to collate that using Excel to generate figures for analysis purposes. However, there are some problems. Before combining and analyzing information, James would need to change the data into a standardized data format, as the information collected from the building management systems located throughout the building may have different timestamps. Additionally, there is a ton of data generated by the BMS system, and Excel may just not be able to handle all these data and might instead crash. In addition, James may also have difficulty looking for duplicates and missing data. James and his colleagues might be drowned out by the immense amount of time series data. All of these issues gave James the idea that he could use his Python and Pandas skills for time series analysis. Pandas is a library in Python that allows James to merge time series data, generate graphics and analysis, and reveal any anomalies in the data. With the help of the Pandas library in Python, James is able to help his team to collect, process, and analyze the IoT data. Doing this, James is able to increase productivity, improve the accuracy of the data analysis, and filter out any missing, duplicated, or unwanted data easily. He can use it to create different types of graphs and charts for comparison as well. With these skills, James is able to help his clients gain valuable insights and make better decisions about their buildings. In the end, Eleanor and James are able to apply what they've learned to their work and solve problems faced by themselves and their colleagues. Stay tuned for next week's episode focused on the operations phase.